So we're going to switch out the 577 solid lift cam that was for bracket racing, and we're going to switch it with a 501 low duration. Power comes on at 1600. We need this for towing for the Blazer.
Lubing up the cam.
That's our delivery.
Yeah, go ahead and put the timing chain on and the timing gear and set the mark on it. Yeah, go ahead and put our timing chain on and line it up with our mark. On the bottom you can see it.
That dot for those that can't. Lifters are next. Lubing up the lifters. There go the push rods. Lubing up for rocker arms. Worst part of all, the timing chain cover. If you know, you know. And if you don't, it's a pain in the ass. There's the harmonic balancer. Ta-da!
We're adjusting the rocker arms on my small block. So what I did is I set it at top dead center after the intake and before the exhaust, and I adjusted number one cylinder already. So then what you do is you got to turn your harmonic balancer a quarter turn each time, and then you adjust your nets in line. So you would go 1843 6572 each time you're doing the quarter turn to your next adjustment.
Okay, now we're just down to the intake and the valve covers, and we'll get that tomorrow. Stay tuned, guys. We gotta get our main vehicle working. This is for the Blazer. We'll be back on the panel next weekend, we promise.